Solving subtraction equations by adding the same thing to both sides is called the addition property of equality. When I add the same number to both sides of an equation, it keeps it balanced, so I'm keeping them equal. Let's look at example 2. At age 25, German Titov of Russia was the youngest person to travel into space. This is 52 years later. This is 52 years less than the oldest person to travel in space, John Glenn. How old was John Glenn? Write and solve a subtraction equation. Now, the equation that they actually give here, I kind of disagree with because I don't think it's the best translation of what the problem says. So if we kind of look at this problem, it talks about that age 25 of that German Titov of Russia. That was the youngest person to travel in space. This, which refers back to his age, is, which means equals, 52 years less than the oldest person to travel to space, who was John Glenn. So I don't know how old John Glenn was. I don't know his age, but I know that that 25 years was 52 less than that oldest age. So I know that the age of John Glenn minus 52 would equal 25. Oh, getting cut off. So to solve this equation, I want to get rid of that minus 52 to get a by itself. So I can add 52. Whatever I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side. So minus 52 plus 52 will cancel out and leave me with just a. And 25 plus 52 will give me 77. So John Glenn was 77 years old. Again, I can go back and check my solution and ask myself, does 77 minus 52 equal 25? And if I go and do that, it will. So the key part when writing subtraction equations, again, is making sure your variable's not alone to start it off, and you are going to just translate from the words given. This key part here, 52 years less than the oldest person to travel to space, is going to help you figure out the main part of the equation. Go ahead and try the got it problem below to check your understanding.